Yo, what's up? This is Cusk over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I'm doing a video with a bald on the side, one on top. So a bald fade with a one on top, as you can see. Shouts out to Barber Illuminati for showing love, man. Out there in Waukegan, Illinois. Shout out to Marvelous Beauty and Barber College. Y'all been showing a lot of love. I see you over there with that all blade haircut, man. I see you. Anyways, over here, what I'm doing right now is balding out the bottom as usual with my Andes T outliners. Then I'm taking the 2-guard halfway open, and I'm going against the grain, as you can see. Pretty simple haircut, pretty straightforward haircut. Number 2-guard going against the grain. I'm gonna take the top down and come around. And I always try to leave good instrumentals for you guys to listen to while I'm showing you how to do these haircuts. This right here, I think is one of the best instrumentals of all time. This actually changed hip hop. So, okay, now after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my masters, take that 2-guard off, and go up for about 1 inch. Okay, that's what I'm doing now. I took my 2-guard off and I'm flicking all the way up about 1 inch, so I'm creating that first line. Like I said, it's pretty simple, straight to the point. Easy directions, easy tutorial. Anybody should be able to fade after watching a few of my videos. Very easy. And like I said, I only use one clipper. That way it's easy for y'all to figure it out. I'm not the type of barber that uses 1,000 clippers in a video. Okay. So that way it's easier for you guys to figure this out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close my masters to halfway, and I'm creating that fade now. I went from having the lever all the way open, now I got the lever halfway open. Who knows what the next step is gonna be? Okay, now if you guess that the next step is gonna be closing the lever all the way and flicking up, you are absolutely correct. I love my subscribers because y'all pretty damn smart and y'all always show love. I appreciate y'all following me on Instagram and showing me love, commenting and liking. Hey Bill, I see you over there. Appreciate you, Bill. Barber Illuminati. I can't really say everybody's name because a lot of y'all show me love. Okay, so now what I'm doing is flicking out that bottom line with the masters closed. Okay, now this right here is the purple magnetic guard open all the way. No, it's not open all the way. It is open halfway. Okay, so purple magnetic 1, open halfway, and I'm creating another line. What I'm gonna do next is open it all the way and kind of fade into that top. There we go. Fade into that top, that 2-guard we did on top. Okay, so now the next step is to put that 0-guard on halfway and kind of create that blend right below that 1-guard. See? 0-guard halfway. Bam. It's coming together already. You can already see the transition. It's looking good. Like I said, real simple haircut. Real easy, simple process. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm in the way. And now, right now, I'm gonna just do a little detail work. Cleaning up the bottom real quick. I had the, well, right now I got the masters open halfway, kind of flicking out, making making sure you can see the transition a little bit. Looking good. Alright, now I'm gonna line them up. Normally don't like to do this on video. Normally don't like to do this on camera because it's kind of hard to position myself. But you know, and I block the camera too. I like to stand directly in front of my client and do this. So I'm kind of speeding up the video a little bit. Looking good, looking good. All the way across. Make sure you get a nice crisp straight line. Crispy straight line. Like I said, these corners are very important. Always want to line them up with the eyebrows. Make sure both sides match up on both sides. Easiest haircut in the world. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Show me love, I show you love. Don't forget I'm on Facebook and Instagram, y'all. Peace. Barber Illuminati. Holla at me.